and today is our very last video for Christmas in July 2021. Today we're going to be working on gift wrapping, but before I get my hands to work, I wanted to show you some of the samples that I worked this morning. For this Christmas season, we're going to see a lot of fall colors like beige, green, gold, orange, and this is an example of the emerald green, the gold, and some organic items that I have throughout the house. Now let's move on to work. In addition to this Christmas season color trend, we're going to keep seeing our traditional color like the red, and that's what I'm going to be working with. Today I have a box that is already wrapped in the paper. I think that's pretty simple, and if you don't know, comment below so I can show you how to wrap it. In the meantime, I'm going to be making a bow. So I'm just going to make a loop, grab it in the middle, and keep making loops. Your bow is made, you start opening up and fluffing the loops. Make sure you have your glasses on, like me, because I don't have my glasses now and I cannot see what I'm cutting. How I make the bows. Now that I have my bow done, I'm going to move on to add all the other items that I have to make this gift pop. We have some bells, and this is how I plan to do it. You can use tape, but in this case I'm going to use a little dab of hot glue to secure it. We're going to move on to add another of the items. In this case, I'm going to use some ornaments, and I'm just going to thread the cord around this little candy wreath, and it's going to be hanging from the top part of the gift. the last finishing touch, we are going to place the bow on top of the box. Make sure that every time you do a gift or you do some kind of decoration, all the mechanics are hiding. We don't want to see that. And this is our final look for Christmas 2021. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you a season full of health and peace.